Hello, my name is Mike Beard, and today I'm going to talk to you about PlanetPress Connect, new from Objective Loon. I'm going to introduce the product in the context of the EDM and imaging sale. I'm going to take you through today's capture technologies, intelligent capture and PlanetPress Connect, where we fit into that space, sales order and invoice automation, new for us, bridging the gap between paper and EDI, mobile capture, interactive business communications, and then finally I'm going to take you through the offer, how we can help you in this business and expand your sales. Objective Loon is an international company. We have offices in every one of those yellow boxes, including South Africa, Australia, Japan, and others. The good news for you is we can support your customers in those locations. So as you sell to international and multinational companies, we're there to support you and your customers. So let's get started looking at some stats from AIM. 51% of scanned documents are 100% born digital. That means they're printed and moved to a scan room. There's got to be a better way. 6.5% of scanned documents are rejected at QA. Why would that be? Well, probably in advanced capture applications, there's issues with the OCR system. 54% of incoming documents are already digital and PDF. Now that's great news. That means incoming documents like purchase orders are already full text searchable PDFs that can be used by PlanetPress Connect. So this presentation is going to be how we add value to the EDM and the ECM sale. Let's get going. The capture process today is well understood. Capture, classify, extract, validate, and deliver. Part of this presentation is going to be looking at new and more efficient ways of achieving this end. In the SMB market, capture today falls into two basic categories. Image capture, where you're simply scanning and storing a document, or index capture, where we're extracting the index from maybe the header or footer of a document. That capability is often built right into the EDM system. Intelligent capture, sometimes called advanced capture, is really relegated to the enterprise market. These systems cost between $50,000 and $100,000 plus usage fees, way beyond the scope of the SMB market. With PlanetPress Connect and our new capture technology, we can break that barrier. There are a number of players in the intelligent capture space. All of these products are spectacular in their capabilities, but they're all aimed at the enterprise space. And one thing they all have in common is to do intelligent capture, they first flatten the document, a PDF to an image, then they OCR that image. So even if a PDF has data built right into it, that's flattened back to image and OCR'd. There's got to be a better way. With Objective Loon, we can now bring intelligent capture down to the 10 to 20K space, putting it down to the SMB market. Finally, SMB customers can gain access to the same functionality as the advanced capture systems costing in order of $100,000 or more. So how does this technology work? 51% of incoming documents, think of purchase orders, come in as full text searchable PDFs. Supposing we had a way to extract the data directly from that PDF, not requiring OCR, that's exactly what PlanetPress Capture is. So we receive the PDF, we data mine that PDF, we extract all the line item detail with no OCR and no flattening. Here's a screenshot of that system. This is how we extract data from a PDF. The left-hand side is the workflow as we read through the PDF. And on the right-hand side, you can see in this example, the blue elements is where we've extracted the line item details directly to a database for further processing. So let's apply that technology to sales order automation. The incoming document is a purchase order. It could have been sent via email, FTP, or the web, but it's a PDF with full text searchable data inside. We use our technology to extract that data and push it into a database. From there, we can push that data directly into the customer's systems. So let's look at the typical life cycle of a transactional document in an SMB. All transactions start as data in an ERP system, are then composed to paper. That paper is then usually printed and distributed. And then to get those documents into an EDM system, those documents of course have to be scanned. But what about large organizations? When a larger organization transacts business, it doesn't do it through paper. It does it through EDI or electronic data interchange. Transactions are moved directly from one ERP system to another through EDI formats. Objective Loon has a partner in this space, Tykinetics, that specializes in this EDI connectivity. So let's bring these two worlds together. On the left-hand side, you can see the transactional document lifecycle, where the document is fed directly into an EDM system. And on the right-hand side, you can see how large organizations transact their business. But supposing I'm a large organization, I use EDI today, but my customers are still living in the paper world. How do I accept their transactions? I still have to deal with paper. But with this new combined technology, we can convert a transactional document, a PDF, into data, convert that data to an EDI transaction to satisfy the large organization. Now the large organization is receiving what it wants, an EDI transaction, and the SMB is still working on the basis of paper and pushing paper transactions to their trading partners. So let's take a look at this graphically. At the bottom of the triangle is all the customers we're of course looking for. People using manual paper processes. Why? Because we want to sell them an ECM workflow automation system to improve their business. But those organizations now in turn want to deal with larger organizations that probably have already EDI implemented. So how do they work together? This technology bridges that gap. By converting PDF to EDI and back again, we can effectively connect organizations that have implemented ECM workflow with companies that have already implemented EDI. A win-win for all. So let's take another look at sales order automation. Your business wants to receive transactions, purchase orders from your customers. Ideally, you want to receive those transactions as EDI transactions. Why? Because there's no human intervention, it's super fast and very low cost. But many of your customers are supplying those transactions as purchase orders in paper. How do we fix this? Those purchase orders can come into this system, be converted to data. That data is sent to a clouded application which converts that data from the PDF to an EDI transaction. Then that EDI transaction is fed directly into your business, completely avoiding any of the keying or the cost of managing those transactions. How about invoice automation? Many companies in the business community today insist on receiving invoices electronically as EDI transactions. So how do you comply with these organizations if your business is producing output in print? Simple. With this technology, we can take your print output, convert it to PDF. That PDF through a clouded application is converted to EDI. That EDI transaction is now fed directly into your business community. So we've enabled you to move from a paper-based system to an EDI-based system with a clouded EDI solution with no software or technology implemented on-premise. Now you can offer your customers a connected business network. This infograph, which is downloadable from our website, can be used to explain to a customer this new system. On the left-hand side, you can see the manual, paper-centric decision trees that customers live with today. On the right-hand side, you can see a fully automated business process where you've connected your business to the business community electronically with huge opportunities for cost savings. Moving on, let's now take a look at some other capabilities of PlanetPress Connect that enable you to enhance the ECM sale. First of all, simple cold replacement. Yes, many EDM and ECM systems today can take print files in directly from Windows, but what about AS400s and Unix and iSeries devices? With PlanetPress Connect, we can now drive those documents from those systems directly into ECM systems. Let's take that one stage further. What about all the transactional documents like proof of deliveries that get printed for sure, but now need to be signed or marked up before they're scanned? Presumably there's no way to avoid the scanning process. Yes, there is. With PlanetPress Mobile, we can now drive those transactional documents effectively as print directly to tablets. On those tablets, we can capture all the changes and the marks and the signatures. Once that's done, those documents are pushed directly back into the EDM system. No printing, no scanning, fully automated, minimal human intervention. In addition, PlanetPress Connect fully supports HTML-based eForms. So now we have the ability to manage eForms directly inside of the PlanetPress Connect workflow, adding more value to the ECM sale. And finally, PlanetPress Connect was designed for customer communications management, the management of the output of the transactional documents from ERP systems. PlanetPress Connect can now format and send print through mail, can direct those transactional documents to emails, or even fully format web pages from that transactional information. A full customer communications management system, all to be wrapped alongside and around the ECM sale. So let's summarize what we have to offer. First of all, we're delivering to you enterprise capabilities for the SMB price when it comes to intelligent capture. Advanced cold replacement is simply included in the price of PlanetPress Connect. eForms capabilities built right into PlanetPress Connect. Any form you've seen on the web can be done inside of PlanetPress Connect, simply included with the product. Mobile capture. For you, that offers recurring revenue opportunities because we sell on a yearly basis the license to use tablets, and of course wraparound services in the form of professional services implementing systems. Add to that a full suite of EDI services. So for you, that means transactional-based recurring revenue fees. There's an opportunity to make money for every transaction your customer produces. For the customer, that's substantially cheaper than the paper-based system. For you, is recurring revenue. And of course, on top of that, wraparound services. And finally, you can extend your services to your customers to a full customer communications management system, greatly expanding your revenue opportunities. So we look forward to working with you. Engage us. We complement the EDM and the ECM sale. To find out more, please visit planetpresspartners.us. Thank you for your time. This is Mike Beard signing out.